Asking the security about the ward. Excuse me. Can you help me, please?
What can I do for you?
I want to go to the ward room number 404. But I can't find it.
The ward is in the 4th floor, ma'am. The room you're looking for is the 4th room from the elevator.
How can I get to the 4th floor? Can I use the elevator?
You can take the stairs or the elevator for visitor.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Registering to the hospital's clinic. Good morning. How may I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Meyer.
Great. What seems to be your problem?
I'm here to check up on my stomachache.
Certainly. Have you been here before?
Yes, I have been here before.
I need to check your identity first. What is your name?
My name is Jen Wither.
Can you spell your name, please?
Jen Wither. Jen-W-I-T-H-E-R.
Of course, Miss Wither. You're registered on the database.
When is Dr. Meyer available?
Dr. Meyer will be available today in around half an hour. You can wait on the waiting room and we will inform you when it's your turn.
Sure. Thank you.
You're welcome. Asking the nurse about the doctor's visit.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
I am from ward room number 404.
Oh, you are Mr. Ryan's family, then?
Yes, right.
What can I do for you?
When is the next doctor's visit?
If it's gastroenteritis patient, then it will be Dr. Murphy.
When will Dr. Murphy visit?
Please wait within today. He will visit around 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. or you can inform me again later.
Of course. Thank you.
No problem. Asking doctors about the patient's condition.
Hello, Ms. Wither.
Hi, Dr. Meyer.
So, we are going to talk about your last checkup.
Could you tell me my test results? How is it?
This is your test result. I didn't see anything out of the ordinary.
So, basically, I am okay?
Your stomachache is due to a regular eating schedule.
Thank God.
At first, I'm afraid you might have gared, but there wasn't any other symptom.
So, what was the cause?
Aside from your regular eating schedule, you also ate too much spicy food. Try to restrain yourself from any spicy food from now.
Certainly.
I'll write you a prescription for your stomachache.
Thank you, Doc.
At the emergency room.
Please help. Somebody.
What's the problem?
I think she broke her arm. I helped her on the street.
What happened to her?
She had a motorbike accident.
Ma'am, where are you feeling the pain?
My left arm.
Can you move it? Can you feel anything?
I can't feel my arm.
We should do an X-ray first.
Is it bad, Doc?
We need further diagnose. Please call her family or relative.
Sure. I can look for her contacts.
Asking doctor about unsurgical procedure. How is my arm, doctor? Is it bad?
We need to perform a surgical procedure on your left arm.
Is it broken?
Yes, we saw a fracture on your X-ray result.
Oh my God. That's awful.
It is just a small fracture. Don't worry.
How's the procedure?
We will physically move the bones back into place to align the bones correctly.
Is it dangerous?
No. Really, it's a standard surgery that common people receive. You'll be perfectly okay.
How long is the recovery?
Recovery time can vary depending on every patient's condition. But you will get better after 6 weeks or so.
Do I need to wear a cast?
A half cast will be applied and will be removed around 3 weeks after the surgery.
Okay, then. Thank you for helping me. At the hospital cashier. Good evening.
Good evening. May I help you?
I'd like to make a payment in the name of Jen Wither.
Could you wait a second, please?
Sure.
Here's the bill for your doctor's visit today. The amount is $150. Do you want to pay in cash or by health insurance?
Do you accept Medicare health insurance?
Yes, we do.
I'd like to pay with my health insurance then. Here's my card.
Please, hold on while we pull up your file.
Great.
This is for your partial payment. The remaining amount is $50.
Here it is.
This is your receipt. Thank you very much. Hope you get well soon.
At the hospital's pharmacy.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to pick up a prescription.
Okay, give me the doctor's note.
Here it is.
One moment please. I'll have it ready for you shortly.
Certainly, thank you.
Here's your meds. Take the green tablet 45 minutes before a meal, 3 times a day. And then, take this blue and white capsule 1 each, after meal 3 times a day.
All right, thank you, sir.